really working hard to achieve your dreams. And like you, I'm also a proud scholar ng bayan because I graduated from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Broadcast Communication cum laude. Kaya naman, I am full support sa lahat ng mga programa at proyekto para sa mga students, para sa mga kabataan because I'm an advocate for quality education for all. I just want to continue to empower and inspire our youth, ang mga kabataan. Huwag na huwag nyo maalisin ang power of knowledge, and reading is an important factor, especially in your growth. Ate, Mayra Coblin Martinez, Pinipining Kabanatuan, and your Miss Universe Queens Nueva Ecija 2024.
Thank you so much, Miss Micah. Truly, you are an inspiration to our youth. And thank you for being here with us today during the celebration of our Reading Month 2024.